Today we're going to show you the RM401AG, which is this little baby. This is to wash the rice. Not just to wash the rice, but it does three very important things. First things, it stocks the rice in there.
Up to 80 kilos.
Up to 90 kilos.
90 kilos.
So 4.5 bags of 20 kilos goes in there. So if you're in a small kitchen, this actually doesn't take space for you because it's only 1 square meter, not even, I think it's 80 centimeters wide.
Yeah.
And you stock 90 kilos of rice in a controlled environment with the humidity. So this is really good. Secondly, it washes the rice for you. But before it washes the rice, it actually knows how much to weigh. So you can choose to clean 3 kilos of rice, but if you want to do more, 3.5, 4, 5, up to 7.5 kilos of rice can be washed at one time. Now, the machine automatically calculates the amount of cooking water you need for the rice. And this is basic. Sorry?
It's one of the most important things, is the cooking water. If you get this wrong, your rice is going to be wrong anyway.
You're absolutely right, and this is the crucial, very important point, is that machine basically replaces a sushi chef making the shari for you, because this weighs, cleans, and puts the right amount of cooking water, and this is the most important thing. It's finished with the chefs that put their fingers, that put their phalange, or the elbow, or the hand, or whatever. It's always different in every restaurant. This will allow you to really have proper control on your rice.